Hi everybody. Today I want you to do a test correction assignment in Delta Math. So I'm going to show you what it should look like on your end. So it should say Pre-Calc Unit 1 test corrections. And the way that it works is you have to tell Delta Math which questions you got wrong. This way it's only going to make you do the types of problems that you got wrong, so that you can earn the points back. Now, I do have it set up to give you full credit back for the ones that you missed. You might notice that for some of the questions you got wrong, I gave you the point, but when you're doing the test corrections, I want you to pretend that I did not give you that point at all. I just wanted to be generous because some of the questions were worded in ways that you had not really seen before in class. So I tried to make it fair for everybody. So you have to tell Delta Math which questions you got wrong. So you can see, I didn't mean for it to do this, but the questions do go out of order. So be careful. They're out of order because I grouped them by the skill, um, and it's a little bit different from when I made the test. So scroll down. You shouldn't have this many assignments, but you should be able to see your test. Now, I obviously got them all right because I'm the teacher, but I was also checking to make sure that the questions were good. But you just have to go through and figure out, it'll still say an X here, even if I gave you the point for it. So if you got a question wrong, what you would do is come back up here, and if you got the question wrong, you would put a 1 because it's asking you how many points you lost. And each question was only worth 1 point. So if you got question 1 wrong, put a 1. If you got question 11 wrong, put a 1. If you got question 4 wrong, put a 1. So this might take you a few minutes to fill out. Just double check and be careful because, like I said, it's only going to give you the types of problems that you tell Delta Math you got wrong. All right, so let's pretend I got question 1, question 4, and question 11 wrong. So remember, you put a 1 if you got that question wrong. And then go ahead and click Initialize Test Correction. Oh, for the ones that you got right, you can just put a 0. So if you got it wrong, put a 1. If you got that question right, put a 0. Oh, do you know what? It's not letting me do it because I didn't actually get any wrong on my test. But you should click that button. And then basically what it's going to do is for each question you got wrong, it's going to give you 3 problems. I think I have it set up where you can see the examples. I definitely have it set up where you can still watch the videos for Delta Math. But you can also feel free to like email somebody in the class or, try to get some phone numbers for people in the class, and you can also feel free to email me. I'll be checking my emails throughout the day. But that's what you're going to work on first today is your Unit 1 test corrections.